Good morning, students of class 3B. We have started exercise 4.4. Question number 1, multiplying the following. Here you are asked to multiply 982 by 7. So first we multiply these two numbers, 7 into 8. So you will read the table of 7 twice, 7 2 is 14. So this 4 is coming at 1's place, so I wrote here 4, and this 1 is coming at 10's place, so I wrote here 1. Next, you will multiply these two numbers, 7 into 8, and you know 7 into 8 equal to 56, and there is 1 already, so I added that 1, we got 57. So this 7 is coming at 10's place and 5 is coming at 100th place, so we wrote here 5. Now we'll multiply these two means 7 into 9. So 7 into 9, 7 9 is 63, and there already 5 is there, so I added 5, we got 68. So 8 will be written here and 6 will be written as thousands place. In this way we multiply these numbers. I repeat, first I multiplied 7 and 2, 7 2 is 14. This 4 is coming at 1's place, this 1 is coming at 10's place, so here I wrote 1, this one. Then we'll multiply 7 and 8, 7 8 is 56, there 1 is already, I added 1, we got 57. Now this 7 is coming at 10's place and 5 is coming at 100's place, so this 5 I wrote here. Now I multiplied 7 and 9, 7 9 is 63 and 5 is already there, so I added 5, 63 and 5 68. So this 8 is coming at 100's place, I wrote at 100's place, and 6 is coming at 1000's place. In this way 982 into 7 equal to 6874. Now question number 1C, 412 into 3. In this question, first 3 and 2 is multiplied, 3 into 2, 3 2 is 6. So that 6 will come at 1's place. Next number 3 and 1 digit at 10's place, that is multiplied, 3 1 is 3. So this, since this digit is at 10's place, so the multiplication will also be at 10's place. 3 1 is 3, 3 10's. So this is the place of 10's, I wrote here 3. Now 3 into 4, this 4 is at 100's place, 3 4 is 12, 12 hundreds, there should be hundreds, I have written 100, there should be hundreds, 12 hundreds. In this 12 hundreds, this 1 will come at thousands place, 12 hundreds, when you will write 1200, means 00 will come, in that you will see 1 will come at thousands place and 2 will come at hundreds place. So this is hundreds place, here I wrote 2, and this is thousands place, not written here, but after hundreds place there will be thousand place, at thousand place I wrote here 1. So 412 into 3 equal to 1236. So what are we doing? This 2 I multiplied, 3 2 is 6, I wrote here 6, 3 1 is 3, I wrote here 3, 3 4 is 12, I wrote here 12. Very simple. Now question number 1E, here you are asked to multiply 196 by 4. So first we will multiply these two digits, 4 6 is 24, that 4 of 24 will come at 1's place and 2 of 24 will go at 10's place. Now we will multiply these two numbers, 4 9 is 36 and 2 is already there, so I added 2, 36 plus 2 38, 8 of 38 will be written here and 3 of 38 will come at 100's place. Now we will multiply 4 and 1. 4 ones are 4 and there is already 3. So 4 plus 3, 7. So multiplication of 196 and 4 became 784. In this way, we have completed question number. We have completed this exercise 4.4. Let us start exercise 4.5. In question number 1a, you are asked to multiply 285 into 29. First we will multiply these two digits, 9 and 5. 9 and 5. This became 45. So this 5 will come at ones place and this 4 will go at tens place. Now we will multiply 9 into 8. This became 9 into 8 equal to 72 and there is already 4. We added 4, we got 76. So 6 will come at tens place and 7 will go at hundreds place. Now we will multiply 9 into 2 and 7 is already there. Okay, 9 into 2, 18 and 7 is already there. So it became 25. 5 came here at hundreds place and 2 will go at thousands place. So we multiplied these three digits 5, 8, 2, 1 by 9. We got this much, 2565. Now here we will multiply again 1 by 1 this 5, 8, 2 by 2. So we are getting 2 into 5 equal to 10. This will leaving one digit. Here we will keep, what do you say, we will keep 0. Or you can keep cross also. So 2 5s are 10. We keep cross, that is better. Cross. 2 5s are 10. Since we are multiplying this by tens, so it will be written here. 0 will come here and 1 will be written at this place. Now 2 into 8, 16. There is already 1. I wrote here 1. 17. 7 will come here and that 1 will be written here. Now 2 into 2, this 2. 2 into 2 equal to 4 and 1 is already there, plus 1. So this became 5. So 5 will be written here. Now we will do the work of addition. Addition now. 5 came down, 6 came down, 5 plus 7, 12. Here carry 1, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 5, 8. This multiplication of 285 and 29 became 8265. In question number 1c, you are asked to multiply 310 by 18. So at first we will multiply this 8 and 0. 8 into 0 equal to 0. Here 0 will be written. Then we will multiply 8 and 1. 8 into 1 equal to 8. Here 8 will be written below tens place. Now we will multiply 8 and this hundreds place 3. So 8 into 3 equal to 24. This 4 of 24 will be written here and this 2 of 24 will be written as thousands place. Now we will multiply these two digits 1 and 0. 1 into 0 equal to 0. Leaving one digit we will write here 0. Now 1 into 1. 1 into 1 equal to 1. So this 1 will be written here. Now 1 into 3, that is equal to 3. This 3 will be written here. Now we will do addition. 0, 8, 4 plus 1, 5 and 2 plus 3, 5. So 310 into 18 equal to 5580. In question number 1e, you are asked to multiply 561 by 14. So at first we will multiply these two digits. 4 into 1 equal to 4. I will write here. Then 4 into 6 equal to 24. So this 4 will come here and these 2 will come here. Now 4 into 5. 4 into 5 equal to 20 and plus this 2 became 22. So this 2 of 22 will be written here, and this 2 will be written after that at thousands place. Now we'll multiply 1 into 1, these two. 1 into 1 equal to 1. Here we'll put across, and I wrote here this one here. We'll leave one digit. Leaving one digit we write. The second sentence, in the second sentence, leaving one digit we start writing. So I left one digit, then I wrote 1 into 1, 1. Now 1 into 6. 1 into 6 equal to 6. That will be written here. Now 1 into 5. 1 into 5, that will be 5. It will be written here. Now the work of addition, 4 came down, 4 plus 1, 5, 2 plus 6, 8, 2 plus 5, 7. So multiplication of 561 and 14 became 7854.